Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this. It's the Donna banana bread in a box. All the instructions. I think there's a muffin recipe you can make with this, and you can do a different frosting or something on there. I have done a couple of these on my site before. I've done a Betty Crocker box cake. I've done a greens chocolate mud cake. And I couldn't find, when I searched for Donna packet mixes or packet bread mixes or this particular brand, I couldn't find any other videos. So I thought, you know what, maybe I'll just put it all together and see how it comes out. It says on the box, the tastiest treat you ever did eat. Now, let's put it to the test. It's not a sponsor, I'm not getting paid for this. I do love Donna work. And I've got a lot of her books, and the illustrations and colors of her photography and her recipes I find really, really fantastic. So I want to give this a try, and let's see what it comes out like. If it is the tastiest treat you ever did eat, let's find out right here on the Chef Mooney channel. Now I will be using the Donna recipe on the back of the box and following it to a T. Here is the recipe. Now it's important that if you are using a loaf tin, it is 21 centimeters by 10 centimeters. That's going to give you the best option. Or you can use a 20 centimeter round cake tin if you don't have the loaf tin. Let's get started. I'm going to spray some oil into my tin, and I've got some parchment paper which I'm going to line on the bottom just in case I get a bit of sticking, and that's what we don't want. Place the parchment paper in the bottom of the tin, and then we're ready to pour our mix in once we've combined all the ingredients together. Now I've got my bananas here. As you can see, they are super ripe. They're black on the outside, but in the inside they're nice and soft, super soft, and that's what you want for a banana cake. You don't want them hard or green. Now by using a fork, all you need to do is mash the bananas up. You don't need to be too fussy with this. I'm then going to pour the bananas into a bowl ready for mixing. I'm going to add my oil, my milk, and followed by the eggs. We want to give this a good mix around before we add our dry ingredients. Now I'm only going to add half the packet, and you'll see why. I'm going to mix this in with my whisk, and then I'm going to change to a spatula and fold in the other half. Now it's just come out of the oven. It smells amazing. You may need to cook it a little bit longer. That's going to depend on your oven. And all you need to do is put a skewer through the center of it, and if it comes out nice and clean, you're good to go. I'm going to slice this now, and as you can see, the texture is just perfect. If you're wondering about the Donna recipe, does it live up to my expectations? Well, I'm going to say yes, it does. And if you've enjoyed this recipe, slap a like on here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care.